Hey guys, I hope everybody's been doing great. So this is going to be your reading for the month of August. Please keep in mind that this is a general reading. If you feel like it doesn't apply, please take a look at my other videos to check out your moon, your rising, and your Venus signs. So, now somebody has confidence. Okay, let's see. Tell me more. Yeah. Somebody knows what they want, who they want. They're ready to put in the work. They're ready to give this situation, like, an opportunity to grow. They want to balance it out here, put in the work, but somebody's not being positive. Y'all know this is a general reading, so just take whatever fits for you in your situation, and it could go vice versa. So just, again, take it however it fits. But I do feel like somebody's not being positive. Maybe this person that messed up, they're scared, like, okay, how can I get this person back? And I do feel like, Aquarius, if this is you, being the magician in reverse, I just feel like at this point, some of y'all just gave up. You know, you don't see yourself moving forward with this person. It's just, you know, like I said before, same old, same old. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries here, but I just feel like you guys are just looking at this person like there's no stability with you because you were being a player. You don't take the lead to fix anything. I was the one putting in all the work, and while you was out here, you know, playing around. But I do feel like there is communication coming in. Somebody wants to express how they feel. Tell me more. Yeah, somebody feels like there's no balance in the situation. 2 sixes, okay. Let me see something. Clarify the 6 of cups. Let me see. There goes that hermit, the card that was at the bottom of the deck. Okay, so I feel like the person at this point who messed up, they're realizing that it was their fault, okay? And they want to come and talk to you because they know that they didn't bring balance in the situation. They want the same thing that you want. They see themselves, you know, building a life with you, having a family with you. But at the same time, they're thinking about everything that they did to you in the past. Maybe somebody from the past interfered as well. And now, you know, there was a lesson, honestly, from both parties to learn. But I do feel like this person is taking a step back and they're learning. They were pointing the finger at you guys like you were the one, you know, always doing something wrong, but they're starting to realize it's them. But I do feel like, Aquarius, at this point, you're coming out of worrying about it. Look at that. You're no longer frustrated. You're no longer in your head like you once were. I feel like, again, you guys have been healing. But, you know, there's still something that you guys are missing, which is why the forgiving and learning card came out. Because even though for a lot of you guys, you let the situation go and you're like, you know what, universe, whatever is meant for me, you know, let it come in. I want to be happy. I deserve happiness. You're trying to let this other individual go, but at the same time, y'all, it's somewhere deep down inside, like you really still care about this person. You love this person. You're pissed off with this person, and you want the truth. And you're still holding on to that. But I do feel like this person is going to come in to give this truth to you. Somebody could be dealing with, oh, I missed it before, I'm sorry. There's a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I do have an earth sign here, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But if not, honestly, I feel like you guys are embodying the Queen of Pentacles. Reverse, I feel like you guys aren't putting the time, effort, or energy into the situation anymore, and you're just focusing on yourself. I told you guys, I feel like you've been healing. You guys are no longer with the drama. You're no longer with the mess. You're tired of being upset. You're tired of, you know, crying, and you don't want to argue. You're letting it go. So you cut off this commitment with them. I feel like you guys are starting to realize, okay, maybe we're not going to have a relationship. We're done. I'm just over it. Look at that. Yeah, somebody's realizing that they're not going to have a commitment with this person. Could be dealing with a Taurus, but if not, look at, oh, Lord. Okay, hold on, y'all. I done picked up 3 storylines, so hold on a second. Oh, what is going on? What is going on, Aquarius? Okay. For some of you guys, you're married, and at this point, you're like, I'm tired. I'm ready to get out of this marriage. I'm ready to literally start the process to get divorced. Some of you guys could have already started the process, but regardless, you're cutting this person off. Whether you're in a relationship, you're married, y'all are like, no, I'm not doing it. Even if, you know, you guys were trying to build something, you know, that was moving towards being in a relationship, y'all are cutting it off now because it's like, you know, y'all been going, I feel like for some of you guys, you've been dealing with this person far too long. And, yeah, same old, but like I said, somebody, even though death is right here, I keep looking at it, somebody was definitely going through a spiritual transformation. Somebody's recognizing their faults here. Look at that. It's like you guys cut this person off, and now they're keeping a close eye on you. They're watching you. But yeah, y'all don't care. You're like, I don't see it improving anywhere. And it's like, I feel like this person is keeping a close eye on you. And even though maybe they feel like, okay, I lost my Aquarius person for good, they want to take a leap towards you. They want to start over with you. But at the same time, they're not moving. They're just, I don't know. They're just doing them right now. Like, I feel like they're trying to maybe clearing up some obstacles, to clear away obstacles to come towards you. Because judgment is here. They need to make a decision. And right now, I feel like when it comes to you guys, you don't want to build with this person anymore. Look at that. That's 2 3s. It was definitely some type of third party here. It doesn't necessarily have to be another man, another woman. It could be a family member, friend, co-worker, an animal. I don't know. Take it however it fits for your situation. But regardless, it's like, you know, you guys just don't see it improving. You're tired of dealing with this person. But they're not tired of you because there's an offer here. They're coming back. Lord, they're coming back. Ooh, the Empress tried to jump out. They want to come back and offer you this new beginning. Let me see. They definitely want to start over here. Let's see. Tell me about the Page of Pentacles, please. Somebody could be dealing with the Leo here. I do feel like they want to come back and give you this offer, and they're trying to have the strength to do it. But at the end of the day, they know they were being sneaky in the past, and now they're realizing after doing some soul searching, they need to clean up their act. They need to clean up their behavior at this point. Look at this. That's another 3. Y'all, okay. Lord have mercy. Alright, y'all, it's third party here. I mean, 3 3 3. I mean, come on. It's a third party. I feel like at the end of the day, they do want to clean up their act because they want to come back towards you. Maybe they want to offer you this small offer here. They're trying to find a way to speak to you because I do feel like a lot of you guys cut this person off. Like, y'all just, you're over it. So, maybe they're going to try to find a way to reach out to you to take you out. Maybe they want to take you to dinner, you know, just to kind of break the ice. But they do want to talk to you, maybe to give you the truth. Tell me more. But there's a lot of conflict here between you guys. And at this point, I feel like both of you guys are kind of like, you know what? I don't see the situation turning around at all. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and I do have a fire sign here, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. I do feel like the person that messed up, they're sad, and like I said, they really want to communicate with you. They want to offer you their cup of love. I feel like you guys are embodying the Queen of Wands. It's like you guys are trying to stay positive about it. You know, I feel like you guys can feel this person trying to come back if they haven't reached out yet. And maybe you're talking to somebody you really trust just to get advice. But overall, you're trying to stay positive. But you're feeling like you're not going to have a new beginning with this person. So the one that messed up, they want a new beginning. They're sad because they're realizing what they did. They realized that you were being loyal to them and, you know, giving them advice just to help them out. And they took that for granted. And when it comes to you, it's like, okay, you realized it after how long? You made me wait after how long? Now I'm over it. I don't want a new beginning with you. I don't see it happening. Why would I put myself through this again? Somebody's having a hard time, though. Let's see. Clap out the Hangman reverse. Didn't I tell y'all they're coming back to give you an offer? They're coming back. They're coming back to give this offer here. But they feel like they're not going to have a new, a victory with you, a new beginning. I do feel like they want to give you something that you've been hoping and wishing for. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra here. But the truth is definitely coming out. Clarify justice in reverse. Somebody, again, could be getting out of some type of legal situation, but I do feel like they want to speak their truth. At the end of the day, they're coming out of being sad about the situation. But somebody's frustrated about their finances. And that's why maybe they're feeling like they're not going to have a new opportunity with you. Because they need to get that together. Yeah, I feel like this person, they had other options here. And they know that if they want to be with you, they need to let those options go. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini here. But they love you. They recognize this connection. Tell me more. Y'all love this person too. I don't care what y'all say. Don't cut your eyes at me. Pay attention to the cards, okay? Don't shoot the messenger. So, know, you guys are just not having a peace of mind about the situation. See, it's you, Aquarius. I feel like even though for some of y'all are coming off to everybody else like, I don't want this person, I'm tired of them, whoop de whoop, but behind closed doors, y'all are really like, you know, I love this person, this is my person, I'm trying to have hope, I can feel it, they're coming back. Maybe you guys see, you know, you have visions, you know, dreams, like, okay, I see myself marrying this person, I see myself being with this person. So it's like, that's why it's a lot of back and forth. It's like you're trying to hold on, but you're not. Look at that. 8 of Pentacles reversed, bottom of the deck. It's like you guys are no longer putting forth the work. So if anything gets started here, this person has to come towards you. You're no longer reaching out. You're no longer being the one to figure out, hey, what do we need to do? You're over it. If they want to be with you, they have to come running back towards you. And I feel like that's what's getting ready to happen. They have to put in the work. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. I feel like your angels are stepping in to assist here. They're trying to help. It's like they're recognizing that there's no balance here and this other person needs to get moving. So I feel like, yeah, angels are stepping in. But at the end of the day, somebody's still weighing up their options, trying to figure out what to do. Because they feel like those seeds that were planted, they're not going to grow. And they're keeping quiet about it. That's why they're not rushing in. But there's a tower moment here. Y'all, the devil did try to come out right before the tower did. There's definitely a lot of fear. I think somebody is recognizing, you know, the behavior and the things that they caused in the relationship. But there was definitely a tower moment here. Clarify the tower. I told y'all, y'all angels are stepping in. They're stepping in, and they had to get someone to realize something, which is why I feel like the tower is here. Clarify the tower, please, for Aquarius. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I feel like y'all, okay, this person definitely stabbed you in the back. Y'all have been healing. You're coming out of that energy. I do feel like this person, the one that messed up, they're trying to clear away obstacles on their end in order to be with you. And at this point, they're coming out of being frustrated about everything that they put you through. And they know, okay, if I want this to work, I need to come towards my Aquarius. So they're coming with an offer. They're coming with an offer here. But somebody still feels like they were left out in the cold. And if Aquarius, that's you, that's why I keep looking at this forgiving and learning card. They need you to forgive the situation. See, and it's like, you know, you're going to come out of that energy. You're going to come out of worrying about it, but there's still fear here due to the fact that this person that you were dealing with, you know, they had secrets. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces, but there's definitely fear. I feel like you're going to use your intuition, though, but you're scared. You don't know if this person's going to put you through the same old, same old. Somebody's dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But again, you guys are emotional about the situation, but you're not opening up. You're not expressing to this person how you really feel. If there's no communication with you guys right now, I'm telling y'all, they're coming back. And when they do come in, you guys are just going to be guarding yourself. You're not really opening up at all because right now you're like, what's the point? I'm telling y'all, this person wants to have contentment with you. They want to be with you. But somebody is keeping a close eye on y'all. And that's why there's no happiness here. Somebody's not using their intuition because they're carrying some burdens here. Tell me about the Ten of Wands. Somebody's dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But yeah, somebody is realizing that they're doing too much. They were the ones carrying everything in the relationship. If that was you guys, you cut this person off. Look at that. 8 of Cups at the bottom of the deck. You walked away. But I also do feel like it's the other person. I feel like this other person, they had obligations elsewhere, and they were doing too much helping everybody else out, and now they're realizing they have to cut it off if they want to be with you. So they're going to walk away. They're walking away from that. What messages do you have for Aquarius, please? Yeah, look at that. Somebody's coming out of being frustrated about the situation, and they're opening up. Y'all, that is 2 people. Somebody is trying to make a decision about 2 people. There's 2 kings. Y'all know I don't take the cards being gender specific, but I, want to say it every time. So even though there's 2 men, it could be 2 women. But there's definitely 2 people here. Somebody is now communicating. I feel like the one that messed up, they're coming back to communicate what happened with this third party situation. They're getting ready to give you the honest truth. But I do feel like they are still going to cut this other person off. Well, the fortune tried to come out. That tells me that somebody learned their lesson. But right now, when it comes to you guys, I told y'all not putting in the work anymore. You're over it. You're not, okay, you want to come and tell me the truth, cool. But at the end of the day, I can't put in the work anymore. You don't see yourself having a happy home. Didn't I tell y'all the Wheel of Fortune tried to come out? You guys are moving on, but I feel like this person wants to move forward with you. There's some type of karmic cycle that just... Oh my God. Okay. Y'all, pregnancy is in the air. I'll be honest with you. Okay. I feel like, honestly, justice has been served. So if somebody did you wrong, I feel like they get ready to come back and tell you, because they've been through some mess, first of all. And they're like, that's why the Tower came. Like, they're seeing what happened. I do feel like they want to move forward with you. Honestly, this person has been thinking about kids. I feel like pregnancy is in the air. Y'all better be careful. Oh, yes. Okay. Y'all, somebody's about to get pregnant. I don't feel like somebody is pregnant right now. I mean, if it is cool, you know, that's the situation. But honestly, I feel like this is the person coming back. You guys are like meant to be together. And it's like, that's why I'm saying, okay, forgiving and learning. That's why the children card is here. Yeah. This child is supposed to be here next year. Somebody's about to get pregnant. And it's happening fast. Something is coming really fast. But at the end of the day, you guys are really in your head like, okay, I feel like things are not improving. They're not going to improve, you know. And that's why you had to walk away from this toxic person, this toxic situation. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn here, but yeah, you walked away. But look, somebody does not want you to walk away from them. I feel like some of you guys didn't really want to walk away, but this person gave you no choice. And you're like, okay, I had to leave because there's no security with you. Somebody made a decision. What's the decision here? Somebody wants to say something, but they're moving slow. But look at that. 8 of Wands. You guys have communication coming in fast. They're getting ready to change up. They're getting ready to come and talk to you. There's something that they want you to know. I feel like they want to tell you everything. They want to give you the truth. And it's going to take you guys having this heart-to-heart conversation, some honest conversation here, you know, where there will be forgiving. You know, you guys have to forgive, you know, in order to move forward if you really want to be with this person. But if you don't, that's your decision. But regardless, you need to forgive, heal, and just move on if that's what you choose to do. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this is already taking place or if it's getting ready to happen. So, yeah, when it does, please leave me some comments. Okay, guys, talk to you soon.